Namaste. My name is Geny Caloisi from Yoga and Ayurveda Wellness. I am a yoga teacher and an Ayurveda consultant. Today I wanted to give you just a little summary of what Ayurveda is. Ayurveda is a 5,000-year-old science that originated in the area that now is known as India. And it provides us a way of looking at an individual as a whole, not just the symptoms that it might have, but as a whole combination of body, mind, and spirit, and find what the imbalances of these individuals might be so that a balance can be regained.